What would you have to pay to learn about nutrition in medical school? It's priceless. It's priceless because you're not going to learn it in medical school. It isn't taught. But if you could learn it, what would it cost? What would the price be of learning about the medicine in your food, the medicine in your kitchen, the medicine in nature everywhere surrounding you? This course, the Introduction to Ayurvedic Cooking, teaches you about the medicine that is accessible to you in your everyday life 3 times a day at each and every meal. This is a course on how to heal your gut, how to boost your immune system, how to feed your brain, how to reduce inflammation and reduce pain. This is about you learning to harness what our ancient people knew, our grandmothers, their grandmothers, and all of our ancestors. This is a movement to restore medicine to the people, humanity to medicine, and our real connection to nature, to live a sacred, sumptuous life and access the healing and the love in every meal. If you take this course, you're going to get 8 video lessons, 8 booklets, 108 pages, 18 unique and original recipes, but more than that, you're going to learn everything you need to know to make your own decisions for your own best health. This is important because Ayurveda is about empowering you. It's about restoring your own healing powers. It's about remembering that you are a sacred, beautiful human being and that you have healing, regenerative powers in you. They've always been there. And this is about remembering the truth of who you are and living your most beautiful, vibrant life. I invite you to join me. Register now. Thank you.